AMG story is also the story of high-performance engines. With high performance, maximum torque, and many technical innovations. Repeatedly, AMG engines have been voted Engine of the Year, such as AMG's 6.3-liter V8 engine.
To develop the world's best engines, we have to supply our engineers with the best equipment.
It is our goal to develop engines that are as efficient as possible. Now, AMG proudly presents its latest development highlight, the AMG 5.5-liter V8 naturally aspirated engine. More efficient and more powerful than its predecessor. Better performance through optimized gas exchange. Camshaft controllers modify the control times of the valves according to power requirements. Permanent automatic valve time adjustment optimizes torque, performance, and consumption. Piezo multiple injection with up to 200 bar pressure detects the optimum fuel-efficient injection and ignition timing in milliseconds. With these technological innovations, the highly compressed V8 naturally aspirated engine achieves up to 540 Newton meters and 45 kilowatts more power than its predecessor. These components boost performance and are the basis for more efficiency. A particularly consumption-reducing technology is the cylinder cutoff. Driving Program C deactivates cylinders 2, 3, 5, and 8 in driving situations requiring less power. An engine control signal switches off both injection and ignition. The supporting elements, hydraulically switchable, ensure that the valves stay closed, preventing cylinder charge and thus energy loss. AMG solves the conflict between performance and consumption with its two engines in one concept, the dynamic 8-cylinder and the economical 4-cylinder. In order to ideally eliminate vibration in both engine models, the transmission is fitted with a centrifugal pendulum, whereby an oscillating mass counters rotary irregularities. Regulated exhaust flaps provide the AMG typical roaring engine sound. The new AMG 5.5-liter V8 naturally aspirated engine. More power, great performance, and high torque. And all that at a fuel consumption of 8.4 liters per 100 kilometers. With stop-start and cylinder cutoff. An efficient, high-performance engine from Mercedes-AMG.